Hello and welcome to Exact Medicare A to Z Workshop. I'm Matt Buchan, CEO of Exact Medicare. It's my pleasure to guide you through the ins and outs of Medicare, helping you navigate its complexities with ease. Medicare's story began in 1965 when it was signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson, originally designed to provide older Americans with reliable access to health care. Now, today, Medicare serves not just those that are over 65, but also younger individuals with disabilities and certain medical conditions. It's a system that has evolved to meet the needs of millions. Here's the heart of it. Medicare isn't just about insurance. It's about ensuring peace of mind. It's about knowing that you can receive the care that you need without the fear of unmanageable costs. Now, currently over 66 million Americans, including 57 million seniors and 8 million individuals with disabilities, depend on it daily. We're going to cover each part in detail in upcoming videos, but here's a quick snapshot. Part A is for hospital stays. Part B is for outpatient services. Part C is Medicare Advantage that bundles everything together, and Part D is for prescriptions. If you've ever wondered how all this is funded, it's through a mixture of payroll taxes, premiums, and government revenue. And if you've been working and paying into Social Security, well, you're on track for premium-free Part A coverage. But here's the thing. Medicare isn't just for those with work histories. You could qualify through your spouse's work, through certain disabilities, or even specific health conditions. And even if you haven't worked, you still might be eligible. However, some parts of Medicare may come with premiums. The goal of Medicare is to provide healthcare coverage to a wide range of people, regardless of their employment history. Now let's make sure that you know all your options and how it applies to your specific situation. To get the most out of this series, I encourage you to watch each video in order. We've structured them to build on top of each other, starting with the basics and moving into more complex topics. If you ever need to revisit a topic, feel free to jump back to a specific video in the series that covers it. As you step into this new phase of life, it's normal to feel uncertain, but with the right information and resources, navigating Medicare should feel empowering and reassuring. So let's dig in. Let's get started on this journey together. If you have questions or you need assistance along the way, please do not hesitate to reach out to our care team at 937-817-0289. TTY711, or join the Exact Medicare Community Conversations Facebook page where you can connect with others navigating Medicare. We want to thank you for joining Exact Medicare A to Z Workshop. Your journey to mastering Medicare starts right here and right now. So let's take the first step together towards a well-informed and secure healthcare future. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore each part of Medicare, detailing and ensuring that you have all the information that you need to make the best decisions for your healthcare needs. Thank you so much for joining Exact Medicare A to Z Workshop. Your journey to mastering Medicare starts here.